In a world where everyone is desperate to be seen, there are certain type of men who chooses something different. Silence. No selfies, no daily updates, no proof that he was at the mall, party or a vacation that he actually enjoyed. And people notice him because he doesn't show up on the feed the way everyone does. But here is the truth most people don't understand. Men who don't post, they aren't hiding, they are protecting something. And I know this personally because I'm one of them. I don't like taking photos. I rarely upload anything. And if I do, it's usually about cars, family members, a favorite soccer club, or a music that I like. And honestly, keeping my life quiet has brought me more peace than any amount of likes ever could. Before we continue, I just want to take a moment and say thank you. We just hit 2000 subs and that support means more than you know. This channel is growing because of you, so thank you for watching, commenting and sharing these videos. Now let's talk about what's really behind men who stay off digital stage. Number 1. Privacy over popularity. A man who doesn't post isn't antisocial, he is selective. He understands something that the internet era has made most people forget. Not everything in your life is meant to be public. He wins, he doesn't need applause. He loses, he doesn't need sympathy comments from strangers. He learned to enjoy life without turning it into content. His moments are for his soul, not for the algorithm. Number 2, the discipline of staying low-key. Posting has become a reflex in this generation. Everything is shown, everything is documented, everything is performed. When a man can resist that urge, it's not a weakness, it's discipline. It takes strength to stay private in a world that is addicted of attention. It takes self-control to live without needing to prove it. And number 3, mystery effect. Whether people admit it or not, mystery is magic. When you don't post, no one knows what are you doing, who you're with, how you live, what are you planning next. And human brain hate gaps and it fills them with curious. That's why low-profile men stand out without trying. Their silence says more than constant posting ever will. Number 4, he's focused on the real life, not the digital one. A man who doesn't post is usually building something. His career, his mindset, his peace, and his future. He's not comparing himself to celebrities or influencers. He's too focused on watering his own grass, not to worry about anyone else. And that's why his life grows quietly and strong. Number 5, he protects his emotional energy. Some men do not post because social media drains them. The noise, the expectation, the pressure, it's not their environment. So they protect their attention, their peace, and their mental space. They would rather live than perform. Number 6, he refuses the trap of validation. Most people post because they want to be seen, noticed, and approved. But a man who doesn't post, he learned to validate himself. His confidence comes from within, not from likes, hearts, or comments. That's emotional intelligence. Number 7, he knows the less people know, the suffer. Whether people admit it or not, information is power, exposure is vulnerable. A low-profile man understands this deeply. People can't use what they don't know. By sharing less, he controls the narrative. He keeps his life in his hands, not the public's. Number 8, authenticity over performance. When you stop living for the camera, something changes. You stop thinking in caption, you stop chasing moment to post. You start experiencing life for what it really is. Men who do not post have realized this. Life feels richer when you live it, not broadcast it. Number 9, peace over attention. Some men disappear from social media not because they are insecure, but because they have outgrown the performance. They have discovered something powerful. You do not have to be visible to matter. You do not have to share your life to live it fully. You do not have to post to prove anything. And honestly, life is more peaceful when you stop trying to impress people you do not know. Number 10, they are not silent, they are just real. People assume that silence means emptiness. But for men like us, silence usually means focus. We think deeply, we feel intensely. We simply refuse to turn our lives into a circus show of strangers. We'll show up in real life, not for clout, not for validation, not for exposure, but for authenticity. Before you go, if you are a man who lives like this, you are not a stranger, you are not behind, you are not missed out. You are actually ahead of most people, and you already know something that many haven't realized. A private life is a peaceful life. Now, I want to know from you, do you prefer staying private too, and why? Leave your answer down below. If you enjoyed this video, tap the next video on screen. It's about signs a woman shows when she has a crush on you. You would love it.